Hi, welcome to my course. So this course will handle artificial intelligence and JavaScript. So a weird combination, but you'll see how it works together well as you go on with the course. And we're going to be creating a tic-tac-toe AI in this course. That is a tic-tac-toe game where one of the players is an AI player, that is an artificial intelligence player. That is, we'll be creating a game where the user can play against the computer. So why this course? As you must already know, artificial intelligence is the fastest growing field right now. There are too many job opportunities in this field. The scope is huge. And have you always wanted to learn how AI works just out of curiosity or because all the highest paying jobs right now are in this field? So have you always wanted to learn how it works? In that case, you can start your journey with this beginner's course right here. Also, you can add knowledge in artificial intelligence to your resume. It's a very good skill to have in your resume, and it almost guarantees you a job in today's world. In this course, you'll learn the basics of AI, Minimax algorithm, JavaScript, and also HTML5 canvas. So there's a lot packed into this one course. And not only that, once you learn all the concepts, you'll be applying it to create your own tic-tac-toe game, where one of the players is an unbeatable AI. You're not just going to learn theory in here, so you'll actually be applying it. So that's what we'll be looking at in this course. We'll be learning the basics of AI. We'll learn what the Minimax algorithm is, which is a very important algorithm with respect to artificial intelligence, and we'll be applying that algorithm along with JavaScript and HTML5 canvas to create your very first artificial intelligence related software or game or whatever you want to call it. So in this course, as I told you, you learn the basics of artificial intelligence. We'll be covering a lot of concepts, all the basics. So as the course goes on, you'll understand why I'm doing certain things. So this is the base of everything that comes later on. Also, you'll learn what the Minimax algorithm is and how it's implemented and why it is used. It's a very important algorithm, and you'll know why it's useful to know and how it's implemented and what the pseudocode of it is, and a lot of other things. You'll also learn how to implement the Minimax algorithm in games, especially because this algorithm plays a very big part in creating AI-based games. So you'll learn how to implement this Minimax algorithm in games, especially in the tic-tac-toe game we'll be creating. So you'll learn the pseudocode of all of that as well. And after that, we'll be learning the basics of JavaScript and HTML5 canvas because that's what we'll be using to create our game. So our AI code will be implemented with JavaScript. Our HTML5 canvas will be used to draw on the boxes that we'll be creating, which depicts our tic-tac-toe board. That's why it's a complete beginner's course. You don't have to know anything before you start it. Also, after we've finished all of that, we'll start coding our tic-tac-toe game, and we'll be starting with the front end of our code, that is the HTML and the CSS part of it. So we'll be designing our tic-tac-toe game, and this part we'll just be designing it. It won't work yet. And at the later part, we'll create a fully functioning tic-tac-toe game by using the JavaScript and HTML5 concepts we learned earlier. And as you already know, this AI never loses, so it's either going to be a draw or a win for the AI. The user who's going to play is never going to win. We'll be ending our course after we make the game fully functionable and after we create an unbeatable AI using JavaScript code. So that's what we'll be learning in this course. Now let me show you how the game looks. So this is what we'll be creating. It's a very simple design. This is how it's going to work. The human player, that is the user, us, we are going to be starting off the game. We are the X player. And once we play, our AI player is going to respond, and it's going to play in such a way that it always wins. It's always going to be countering our moves so that we never win. So essentially, it's going to make sure that it wins. There you go. The AI player has won. Now let me try to make sure that the AI doesn't win. So I'll be countering all of its move. So let's counter it. There you go. Counter. Counter. As I told you, the only two outcomes for this game after we've done with it is that either the AI wins, that is O player, which represents the AI wins, or the game is a draw. The AI is very smart. It's created in such a way that it never loses. It looks till the end of the game for every single move, and either it makes sure it wins or it makes sure that the game is a draw. This is the kind of thing you'll be creating in this course. It's a very powerful AI. I'll be teaching you every single part of how to create this game, what's the background behind it, what's the algorithm. I'll be explaining every single thing, and the final result of that is you creating this game all on your own and making it work. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enroll in this course so you can start learning how to do this. I'll see you inside. Thank you.